Exciting weekend in Yosemite National Park, California, USA. A weekend trip to Yosemite National Park can be a memorable adventure. Here's a suggested itinerary for a 2-day visit. Day 1, explore Yosemite Valley. Morning, arrival and visitor center. Arrive early in the morning to make the most of your day. Stop by the Yosemite Valley Visitor Center to get maps, information, and any updates on trail conditions. Late morning, Yosemite Valley highlights. Head to Tunnel View for your first breathtaking view of the park's iconic landmarks, including El Capitan and Bridal Veil Fall. Visit El Capitan Meadow for a closer look at the famous El Capitan granite monolith. Afternoon, waterfalls and valley floor. Hike or take a shuttle to Yosemite Falls, North America's tallest waterfall. Explore the valley floor, taking short walks to Lower Yosemite Fall and Sentinel Bridge. Evening, sunset at Glacier Point. Drive or take a shuttle to Glacier Point for a stunning sunset view over Yosemite Valley. Day 2, outdoor adventures. Morning, sunrise at Cook's Meadow. Start your day early with a visit to Cook's Meadow for a peaceful sunrise view of Half Dome and the surrounding scenery. Late morning, Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias. Drive to Mariposa Grove to see the giant sequoias, including the grizzly giant and California tunnel tree. Take a moderate hike like the Grizzly Giant Loop Trail to explore the area. Afternoon, Mirror Lake Trail. After lunch, take a hike or bike ride to Mirror Lake. The trail is relatively easy and offers reflections of Half Dome in the water. Evening, stargazing at Yosemite Valley. Return to Yosemite Valley for a relaxing evening. If the season is right, participate in a ranger-led stargazing program. Tips. Accommodation. Book accommodation well in advance, whether it's a campsite or lodging within or near the park. Meals. Bring snacks and water for hikes, and consider having a picnic in the park. Shuttles. Utilize the park shuttles to navigate Yosemite Valley and reduce traffic. Remember that Yosemite's popularity means it can get crowded, especially during peak seasons. Planning ahead and being flexible will enhance your experience in this breathtaking national park. Please let us know where you would like to go and what kind of information you want. We will strive to create videos and vlogs on those topics. Visit our sites New Beginning Calm and My New Beginning Calm. Our digital empires that have given us the financial freedom to pursue our travel dreams. You can achieve the same. We are creating vlogs on Supats.com, where you will find all the travel vlogs and mindset spirituality-based blogs. Thanks, and God bless you. Solopreneurs resources to scale businesses at https://w.com. Solopreneurs digital branding hub at https://com. Coming up soon, Solopreneurs dream lifestyle at https